Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hello and welcome to the Google Trends Hub. Today we're talking about a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence, Gemini 2.5 Flash. This new model is faster, more efficient, and it's starting to make waves across the Google ecosystem. So, what makes Gemini 2.5 Flash so special? Well, for starters, it's the result of months of development by the Google team, who have been working tirelessly to improve upon their previous models. And boy, have they delivered. By deploying Gemini 2.5 Flash in places like Vertex AI and the consumer Gemini app, Google is finally starting to move its products into a new branch. But what's behind this shift? It all comes down to data, or rather, how people interact with the new model. The experimental wide release of Pro helped Google gather insights on user behavior, which has informed the development of 2.5 Flash. This new model is smaller than its Pro counterpart, but it packs a punch when it comes to delivering fast answers for simpler prompts. Now, you might be wondering how this affects the cost of running Gemini models. Well, let me tell you, with 2.5 Flash, we're seeing faster processing times and lower costs. But that's not all. Developers are also getting granular control over the feature, which means they can adjust the thinking budget based on the complexity of the prompt. But what about dynamic thinking? Yes, this is where things get really interesting. Gemini 2.5 Flash includes dynamic and controllable reasoning, which allows the model to modulate its responses to simple queries. And the best part? It's a major leap forward from the Pro model, which was still prone to overthinking its responses. Speaking of which, let's take a look at some stats on the Google Trends Hub, or rather, the Gemini 2.5 Pro reports. You can see for yourself how much of an advantage Gemini 2.5 has over OpenAI's deep research tool. And it seems that Google's latest model is not only more accurate, but also more useful. But what does this all mean for the future of generative AI? Well, with Gemini 2.5 Flash leading the charge, we're seeing a major shift towards making these tools more accessible and affordable. Imagine being able to explore topics in greater detail simply by entering a prompt. That's the promise of Google's deep research tool. And as we look ahead, it seems clear that all models in the Gemini app will eventually move to the 2.5 branch. But what does this mean for developers and users alike? It means that the future of generative AI is looking brighter than ever, and we can't wait to see what's next.